Hey everyone, it's Clarence from CGarnerSpeed252. Thank you for pushing that play button. One thing I want to talk about is giving a shout out to my boy Laz for letting me borrow his car. As you all know, I am getting my car wrapped, which is now at InShane Designs. It's a lot of great things coming with that. I don't know what it's going to be like, so it's definitely going to be a bit surprise to me. But Laz let me borrow his BMW while I'm in town, and he's a really nice guy. And I just love all these guys, so they treat me with respect, they treat me nicely. InShane Designs, well, technically Shane, super nice. Holly, super nice. Pat, super nice. Dan, super nice. Curtis, super nice. I mean, they are all just super nice. And I'm just grateful to be even doing this and making these videos for you all. And I love, like I said, I love each and every one of my subscribers. And if you are watching this right now and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I just love my subscribers. Literally, if I'd love to have you part of the community, please hit that bell beside it so you get a notification anytime I release a video. But I'm super stoked. Pretty much this video is about, you know, me dropping my car off and let you know the things that could be going on with it, and also the life, the day inside of InShane Designs. You get to see some of the projects Shane and them are working on and things like that. And you know, also I want to mention this, I am considering getting the Corvette exhaust, the screen, put it on my car. If any of you have that on your car currently, let me know how you feel about it. I'm really thinking about it. Shane told me to think about it. I'm not really sure yet because, you know, this is my first sports car, so with my Camaro, I never really did anything with it except getting it tuned obviously recently in one of my earlier videos. But I'm considering getting that done to my car. Let me know what you think, if I should get the Corvette exhaust put on or should I just leave it stock. And you know, I met some good people today. Dr. Brown, who came by and let me drive. He let me ride in the side of his car, who also currently have a Corvette exhaust right now, and it sounds really good. So let me know what you think about that. He's a super nice guy, and I just had a phenomenal day being in Shane's shop. You know, I remember the days when I used to be at home just watching my computer, watching Mike, watching him go into Shane's shop. And I didn't even have a YouTube channel. I didn't have a Corvette at the time. I didn't even think about any of that stuff. I was just watching it because I was just so big of a fan of theirs. And now I'm being able to see these guys and meet them on a regular basis and be part of the group and feel like family is just freaking phenomenal. So definitely please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because there's a lot of great things coming your way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Good, man. How are you doing?
Just talking to you.
Really?
Well, we were just texting, what, like an hour ago?
Yeah, like an hour ago. Yeah, I just walked over here from the room.
Oh, okay.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, always good to see you.
Heck yeah.
Oh, dude, I've been on the road all fucking. Dude, I mean, not that far, but just like back and forth doing all these errands.
Oh yeah. Did you finally got the oil change in this?
Yeah, but now we're squared away. Alignment, oil change, good to go.
What's the drawing again? So many people's entering this thing. It's ridiculous, man.
Yeah, orders are starting to pick up. I think that people heard, you know, at the beginning, like, well, I got like a month to do it. And now it's kind of getting down to the top.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Looking to get in now.
Heck yeah. So you said you're gonna pick up your car tomorrow from McLaren? Or
yes.
You, okay.
I plan to leave about 9. I can meet you here if you want.
Yeah, that's fine. Cause Laz was gonna let me borrow his BMW, but I mean, I don't know if you wanna
well, shit, I guess you could give me a ride too. I was gonna go
that works too. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that works too. Yeah, heck yeah. As long as you know where we're going, because I don't know. Yeah.
It's just like turnpike the whole way. It's like an hour. Okay. It's like, honestly, if we don't hit any traffic, which we shouldn't, it's like an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah,
that should be fine, man.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that should be fine, man. Okay, I'm down for that.
How was your trip up here?
It wasn't that bad, man. I pretty much talked to a lot of people on the way driving up here, so kind of the time went by. I mean, I didn't run into any trouble or anything, and the car's finally here and finally getting wrapped, and I'm excited. I'm excited, man. Yeah, I've been chaining them and getting work, so.
He was like, oh, I'll just take it for a ride in the BMW. And I was like, fuck, like, this is boring. You know what I mean? Like, I kind of underestimated.
What is it like? Is it like stripped out race car?
Yeah, but like they all have to, like, it's spec E30, so they all have to be bone stock for catback and suspension, tires, and brakes. And that it's gutted. But like,
so it's still, yeah.
I mean, they say 200 horsepower, maybe.
They're light though.
Yeah, they have to weigh like a certain amount of weight and stuff, like with fuel and stuff. So like, I underestimated this guy big time.
Track days are like something else.
Listen, I love it, man. That's the first thing I did.
I'm going back, like, for sure.
I love the track, man. That's the first thing I did with the Grand Sport and loved every bit of it.
You tried that one already?
Like 5 times. I was going like 145
Yeah, dude, it's awesome.
at VIR.
It's weird because
Straight away.
VR is my next step.
Yeah.
My next step. Yeah.
The guys here at work. Dan is doing what he does best, designing. That guy's freaking awesome. And also Shane and them over there, kind of goofing around. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here chilling like a villain, and I'm pretty much probably about to start reading, I guess, because that's what I do best too.
That's it. That's the only reason. Dude, we are retarded. You're retarded. Okay.
What the heck?
It's only because he said it sounds stupid like retarded.
These guys are so funny. It's like coming into a comedy show. Oh, Shane.
I am paint protecting some wheel wells. Process that. Blues bouquet.
Is this garage kept?
Yeah.
It is.
Grab me that one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, sir. The life of InShane Designs. So while I'm in the process of dropping my car off at InShane Designs to get it wrapped, look what we run into. Go follow him, by the way. I call him Dr. Bryant, super nice guy. Oh yeah? He got the carbon fiber flash right there. Was that me?
Dude, we got touchy.
Oh man, I think it was on me. I think that was actually me because I was inside of the car. I'm not trying to go to jail.
That happened to my daughter. She just like reached into the car. Oh, Shane did the calipers too. You get some. You can hear it rumble. You'll get a little crackles too.
Did it add any horsepower?
So I think the X-Pipe and the thing they had like 15, 18. Now, I don't know if you need a tune to get that power or not. I really don't know.
No, it really does sound good. Closer is also extreme.
Just a little. There's a little deeper.
So what?
Nice
So if you put it in sport mode, then that sound doesn't change.
I'll put it in eco. I'm in wet. Eco. Tour. Yeah, well, the valves are
Interesting. Because they've been trying to convince me to do that. But like,
the only ones that I know that has the valve, there's two that have the valves. Boiler, and I think there's a MagnaFlow.
yeah, I have heard of
I think
MagnaFlow.
they have the valves. Otherwise, I mean, I think this honestly sounds the best. When I heard it, so when we were at Carlisle, where Shane's booth was, I was at his place last year.
Right.
Right across from us, they had all the exhaust companies out for the A&A auto stores, and I listened to all of them. And this one definitely sounded the best. But you do lose, you will give up the things. But like, look now, I mean, we can talk,
Right.
we can hear the radio. And if you're below 3,000, it's not gonna bother you making noise.
Yeah, that is true. It does sound good. And right, it doesn't sound like you really have to yell over anything. Oh, you using the paddle shifter?
Yeah.
How much did it cost? You want me asking?
I want to say it was like, I can't remember if the axle back is like 2,100. The X pipe
install it at the show?
They installed it at the show. Yeah,
wow.
Right there. That was awesome. Oh yeah, it was
wow.
really sweet. I have some pictures of that.
Hey everyone, thank you for pushing that play button. This is the end of the video, but a few things I want to get across is the car is officially dropped off. I've been keeping it for a few days with me to get things outside of the car, get things unloaded in the car, get things from unloaded in the car, you know, because I am staying down here. But the car is officially dropped off. The car will be wrapped by InShane Designs. I'm super excited, because I truly don't know all what's going on. You know, Shane bounced ideas off me, and I bounced ideas off him, and you know, we just go back and forth with these ideas. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna be just as surprised as each and every one of you. I'm super excited. Hopefully it'll be done before the call out event. If you're all going to the call out event, so come say hello. I would love to meet you. I would love to see you, and just, you know, I just would love to just shake your hand and say hello. Thanks for, you know, watching my channel, and thanks for joining in. Also, a good friend of mine that I met last week when I came down here, his name is Liz. He has a YouTube channel. It is called Life on Wheels 717. Please go show him some love. Go watch his channel. He's a really nice guy. He let me borrow his BMW to get back and forth while I'm down here. You know, not too many people are not, I guess what I say, not too many people are willing to do that. And so since he did that, I'm super stoked. I'm super happy. I met really good people. InShane Designs, all group of people: Pat, Dan, Curtis, Holly, you know, Mike, Streetspeed717, Nick, Troy, the list goes on. Every one of them treat me like family. Like, they treat me with respect, like family, like I was just another person, part of the family. So I'm happy to be part of the group. They just welcome me in, and you know, I'm excited to be around these guys and girls, and you know, just I'm really stoked now. I just love everything I do, and I just love each and every one of you. And I thank you for being part of the channel. I'm sorry, because it is a little cold out here in Pennsylvania, so some of my words going to be slurring. Some of my words going to be like, what did he just say? A part of me is just super happy, too, because I'm going to see something different with my car. And also, I'm thinking about adding a Corsa exhaust. It's Scream. Let me know what you think. I heard good things about it. That's in the back of my mind. He told me to think about it overnight. So if you all think I should add a Corsa exhaust or Scream, let me know, because I'm definitely considering it. With that being said, I hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, because Clarence really got some good things coming your way. CGarnerSpeed252 is out.